Hi everyone, welcome to Cheryl's Stitch and Stash. Today I'm going to show you how I organized my fabric. We had to do a little bit of moving around stuff around the house to make an office for my husband to work from home. And so he needed my cabinets, so I got new shelving. So let's get started. So here we are in my closet, and this is the new shelving. So what I've been doing this whole time is folding the fabric and putting them on the shelves. And as you can see, I get 4 piles on each shelf, and then I have 3 shelves like that. So there you go. So that's what I've been doing this whole time. It takes a lot of time. The name of the shelving system that I originally was going to get was Rubbermaid closet shelving, but they didn't have any more. So I asked them when they were going to get more in, and they said they didn't even know if they were going to get any more in. So we went to the next aisle, and that's where the garage shelving is. And we ended up getting these shelves, and it's wider, so you can fit more on the shelves. So the name of the shelving was, I have it right here, it's Rubbermaid Fast Track Rail, and it holds up to 350 pounds of weight per shelf. So that's great for fabric. So it's great. I like the system. I have it all in color order according to me. And so far it's working great. And then I found a system for fat quarters, which is the Closet Maid. And I'll show you. The fat quarters fit in there perfectly. I don't have them done yet, but they will be full when I'm done. And what this kit came with is shelves this size, and then shelves smaller than that size. Like they're more shallow. But that's okay, I'll fit other things in there. So far the system is working great, and I'm still working on the fat quarters, getting them in there. So that's what I wanted to share today. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. So happy quilting, happy stitching, and have a great day.